Get ready, girls. We are working with pigment today. I'm starting out with a pigment-based ombre tips. Here for 60 seconds, then apply your pink super pigment. You can also use the white super pigment to help you blend. After that, I'm using 2 coats of pink nude to ombre it down. Now, I'm applying shine the top coat to prevent pigment from sticking to the background. I'm using the same pigment base to draw the heart silhouette. Go in with pink pigment and you notice it doesn't stick to the background. I'm shading with stained glass gel number 6. It's so easy to blend, I just do it with my liner brush. Now, I'm going in with white art gel to outline and add reflection to the heart. This is my 10mm brush, by the way. I'm also gonna add in a few twinkle star and use milky color to highlight. Now apply matte and clear for 60 seconds and check this out, girls. Oh my god, it is so dreamy, like cotton candy. Now what you waiting for? Get back to practice, girls. Bye.